Queensland, Australia, January 14, 2025. Further thunderstorms are forecast for Australia's east coast after several states and territories were hit by heavy rain. Parts of inland northern and eastern Queensland and eastern NSW are bracing for more thunderstorms that could bring flash flooding, hail and damaging winds. The Bureau of Meteorology has issued a severe thunderstorm warning as a cold front moves across the east over the next few days, with giant hail expected to hit parts of NSW. As NSW and Queensland brace for another wave of storms, the ACT and Canberra are also expected to be hit by severe thunderstorms this afternoon and evening. Coastal NSW areas including Sydney, Wollongong, Newcastle and Brisbane are less likely to experience severe storms, but moderate rain and thunderstorms are still possible. The Bureau said the most severe thunderstorms are still inland. The chance of rain on the east coast remains high as a cold front moves in from the southeast. Heavy rain will increase in eastern Victoria and southeastern NSW.
Kilometers, 20-30 kilometers. Hail, you're looking at 3. Very decent size hail. Up to 4.5 centimetre hail falling. The storm is moving north. This needs a VDS warning on it.
Widespread rainfall of up to 20 to 40 millimeters is possible, with storm-induced rainfall totals likely to be much higher in the southeast of the continent. Conditions are not expected to improve until the weekend. Severe thunderstorms between Stanthorpe and Warwick, large to giant hail reported. Severe to dangerous thunderstorms producing strong winds, large hail and heavy rain are developing near Cotton Vale and between Stanthorpe and Warwick.
That'll be a full video. This definitely needs a VDS warning on it. Problem is watching, just lost the main windshield. Later, but that's the current situation just to the south of Warwick.
Can you see it across the paddock?
The New England Highway, which is doing quick as you can get a bit of a
The severe thunderstorms are moving north to the west and northwest of Warwick, and large to giant hail have been reported with these severe storms at Applethorpe and Stanthorpe. Further rain is expected across coastal NSW on Saturday and Sunday as the low-pressure system is strengthened by strong southerly winds. This follows several days of heavy rain across parts of the east coast. Thunderstorms, flash flooding and lightning struck the region overnight. Queensland's Central Plateau was battered by winds of up to 94 kilometers per hour, while heavy rain and thunderstorms hit parts of NSW and the ACT.
I look like a hero though. For the latest updates.
Good boy.